If you're looking to streamline your accounting process and improve efficiency, Deel's integration with accounting tools is something you definitely need to check out. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Deel's powerful integration with accounting tools, making your work smoother and more organized. Now, if you haven't heard of Deel before, it's an all-in-one platform designed for managing global teams, payroll, and compliance, all from a single dashboard. What's great about Deel is that it integrates with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, allowing you to sync payroll and payment information directly into your accounting system. This integration ensures that you don't have to manually input payment data, which saves you a lot of time and reduces the risk of errors. The first thing you'll want to do is connect your Deel account with your accounting software. To do this, simply navigate to the Integration section within Deel's dashboard. From there, you can select the accounting tool you're using, whether it's QuickBooks, Xero, or another supported tool. The setup process is fairly simple and involves just a few clicks to link your accounts. Once you've connected Deel with your accounting tool, the next step is syncing your data. Deel will automatically sync payroll data with your accounting software, meaning any payments, contractor invoices, and expenses related to your global team will be directly transferred over. You can also set up automatic syncing on a daily or weekly basis, so you never have to worry about manually updating your records. Another great feature is the ability to generate financial reports straight from Deel. By syncing with your accounting software, Deel will automatically generate reports that reflect all of your financial transactions, making it easier for you to track expenses, generate balance sheets, and even stay on top of tax calculations. Now, if you're thinking about trying out Deel for yourself, I've got some great news. You can use Deel for free from the first link in the description below, and there's even an exclusive bonus waiting for you when you sign up. This will give you full access to the platform's features and allow you to explore all of Deel's integrations with accounting tools, along with the extended free trial. So, whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a global workforce, Deel's integration with accounting tools is a huge time saver and helps you stay on top of your finances. If you've been struggling to keep your payroll and accounting processes separate, this tool is exactly what you need to integrate everything into one seamless system. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.